Jai Sriman
Oh, my dear brother, after doing all this, after ruining all this, after causing such a huge disaster, do you think my mother Kaikamma is happy now? No, she did not get everything that she wanted. She did not get kingdom. She lost her husband, and she would definitely go to Narakam. Oh, my dear brother, because of my mother Kaikamma, I also lost my good name. I also lost my fame. But, oh Rama, oh my dear brother, don't think that I am the son of Kaikamma. Don't think that I too carries the same mindset. Oh my dear brother, no, I do not. Me dasabhutasya, I am your servant. I would like to be your servant forever. Prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show your compassion on me. Oh my dear brother, abhishinchasvacha adyaiva rajyenam. You please come back to kingdom Ayodhya. Just like Devendra to the Swargam, you also please get Pattabhishekam done. Oh Rama, all these people, all our mothers, all the army, all the ministers, we all came here only to beg this. Oh Rama, prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show compassion on every one of us. Oh Rama, if we look at the age, you are the eldest one. If we look at the power, you are the most powerful man. If we look at the bravery, you are the most bravery person. In every aspect and respect, you definitely deserve to rule the kingdom Ayodhya. Not only that, in very righteous way, the entire kingdom belongs to you. That is why, Ho Rama, Sakama, Suhrudaha, Kuru. That is why we all came, and all your best friends also came to beg you this. Please do not reject your friend's wish. Ho Rama, prasadam kartumarhasi. Please show compassion on each and every one of us. Ho Rama, if you do not take care of this earth as and how, when husband is lost, the mother, the woman goes through so much pain. So also, if you do not rule the kingdom, if you do not rule this earth also, Bhudevi also goes through the same pain. Ho Rama, Sirasa Yachito Maya, with all these mantri, ministers and all the citizens and acharyas, I am bowing my head to your divine feet and begging this. Ho Rama, I am your brother. As a brother I am asking you, please prasadam kartumarhasi, show compassion on me. Ho Rama, I am your disciple. As a disciple I am begging you this. Prasadam kartumarhasi, please show compassion on me. Ho Rama, I am your servant. As a servant I am begging you this. Please prasadam kartumarhasi, show compassion on me. Oh Rama, this many people came here to ask this. Please do not reject all of us. Na atikramitum arhasi. Please don't say no to us. Like that, Bharata, while begging Rama, while crying, Sabashpaha, Kaikeyi Sutaha, while moving to tears, Ramasya Sirasa Padau Jagraha. Bharata kept his head on the feet of Rama and crying and begging. Bharata, while touching his head to the feet of Rama, he is crying. Bharata is breathing heavily. Sri Ramachandra Swami lifting Bharata and Ramaha Parishvaja Bhrataram Bharatam. Ramachandra Swami hugging Bharata tightly and saying to Bharata like this, "Ho Bharata, you are Sattva Sampannaha, you are very gentleman. You are Tejasvi, you have so much of great valor. Charitavrataha, you have a very good character. Having all such great wonderful qualities, nothing wrong for you to seeking the kingdom, Bharata. I don't see any kind of wrong with you. I don't see any small fault in you. Nadosham tvayi pasyami sukshmamapi. Whatever that happened so far, I don't find any fault with you and I don't find any of your interference in this." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. For Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.